This is the part of Chicago that doesn't get talked about. Yes. Yeah, my mom was in federal penitentiary when she took that picture. Styling on them. I have a whole family here who I know needs protecting in a way that they've never been protected.
I'm a doctoral student organizing towards Black freedom. I really want my research grounded in how we can envision what safety looks like outside of law enforcement.
There's been a major development in the police shooting of 22-year-old African-American woman Rakia Boyd.
I committed to confronting this board, city council, and the mayor until y'all fire Dante Service.
Black women do a lot of thankless and undervalued work.
We taking back our community. We taking back our community.
Our entire existence is resistance.
It's just like an exacerbated level of commitment.
It's very new, this idea of this being work. This has always been life.